Imagine you had a magic toolbox. Inside that toolbox were tools that could write, draw, design, build websites, edit videos, create music, and even help businesses answer customers, all in minutes. Would you become rich overnight? No. But could those tools help you earn money? Yes, and that's exactly what thousands of people around the world are doing today. The secret isn't that AI makes money by itself. The secret is that AI helps people solve problems faster, and people are willing to pay for solutions. Let's meet Alex. Alex wanted to make extra money, but had one big problem. He didn't know how to draw, he wasn't good at writing, he couldn't code, and he didn't have thousands of dollars to start a business. Then he discovered AI. At first, Alex thought AI would simply give him free money. It didn't. Instead, it gave him something much more valuable: skills. The first tool Alex discovered was ChatGPT. He learned that businesses often need help writing emails, product descriptions, blog posts, and social media captions. Instead of spending hours writing, ChatGPT could help create a first draft in minutes. Alex still had to check the facts, improve the writing, and make it fit each customer, but the work became much faster. Then Alex found Canva's AI tools. Many small businesses need flyers, Facebook posts, YouTube thumbnails, menus, and business cards. Canva's AI features helped him create ideas quickly, while Alex added the final touches to make each design unique. Next came video editing. Millions of businesses want short videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. Tools like CapCut AI and similar editors can remove backgrounds, create captions, and speed up editing. Instead of taking hours, simple edits could often be finished much faster. Then Alex discovered website builders that use AI. Some businesses only need a simple website with a few pages. AI can create the first version, but someone still needs to customize it, add the business information, and make sure everything works properly. Again, AI didn't replace Alex. It helped him finish the job faster. One day, Alex heard about chatbot builders. Restaurants, salons, online stores, and many other businesses answer the same customer questions every day. What are your opening hours? How much does this cost? How do I book? AI chatbot tools can answer these common questions automatically. Instead of selling the chatbot itself, Alex sold the service of setting it up for local businesses. Businesses paid because it saved them time. Then Alex learned another important lesson. The people earning the most money weren't using the most expensive AI. They were solving the biggest problems. If a restaurant needs more customers, a real estate agent needs better advertisements, a YouTuber needs better thumbnails, or a small business needs a faster way to answer customers, AI becomes a tool to solve those problems. According to industry reports, millions of businesses around the world are already using AI to improve customer service, create marketing content, write documents, and automate repetitive tasks. That means there is growing demand for people who know how to use these tools well. But there's something many videos on the internet don't tell you. AI cannot replace trust. If you promise something you cannot deliver, customers won't return. If you copy someone else's work, you can lose clients. If you don't check AI's answers, mistakes can happen. The most successful people use AI as an assistant, not as a replacement for their own thinking. So what are some of the best AI tools people use to earn money today? ChatGPT helps with writing, research, brainstorming, and customer support. Canva AI helps create graphics, presentations, and marketing materials. CapCut AI helps edit videos faster with captions and effects. Flowice lets people build AI chatbots for businesses without needing advanced programming skills. ManyChat helps businesses automatically reply to customers on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Notice something? Each tool solves a different problem. That's why learning one tool really well is often better than trying to learn 50 tools at once. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They spend weeks searching for the perfect AI tool. Meanwhile, someone else picks one tool, practices every day, gets their first customer, and starts earning. The difference isn't the software, it's taking action. Think of AI like a bicycle. Owning the bicycle doesn't win the race. You still have to pedal. The same is true with AI. The tools are powerful, but your ideas, your honesty, and your willingness to learn are what turn those tools into income. So if you're wondering whether AI can help you make money, the answer is yes. Not because AI prints money, but because it helps ordinary people solve real problems faster than ever before. And in every country, every city, and every neighborhood, people are always willing to pay for someone who can solve a problem. So don't ask yourself, which AI tool makes the most money? Ask yourself, what problem can I solve today using AI? Because that's where the real opportunity begins.